Hey crafters, it's Janet with Crafting It Up in Creation. So coming at you today with another faux fur ornament. Oh my gosh. So I've bought this yarn from Walmart and I'm going to use just about every bit of it up and making some ornaments for you. So if you do go buy some of the same supplies, I hope to give you tons and tons of ideas this week. So this week is a special week-long series where I do a new video every day making Christmas ornaments, and it's part of my Make It Merry series. Now, I started this August 24th, and I was doing a new video every Saturday up until Christmas, but this week is a special week. I'm going to have a giveaway on Wednesday and a giveaway on Friday, so make sure that you've hit that like button, make sure you hit that subscribe, and to hit the bell to be notified every time I upload a video. And the rules for the to where you can win something or be part of this drawing is that you must like the video and you must leave a comment. And I need you to do that on every video all week long. Wednesday's video will be from Sunday to Wednesday, and then Friday's video is going to be all week long. Like, I want to see that you've watched them all, you've liked them all, and make sure your privacy settings are so that I can see that. So I'm going to begin this one. I'm going to show you all the things that I used in today's video. So this video will feature supplies from the Dollar Tree. So they have these little 3 packs of baseballs that you can get at the Dollar Tree. They're plastic. They kind of remind me of a wiffle ball feel, except for that they don't have the holes in them. But they're baseballs. They're for, little kids to use to try out. But they come in 3 in a pack. And then I'm also going to use, again, this Go for Faux Fur that I got. It's actually yarn that you can get at Walmart. This smaller pack is $4.98. You can see it has kind of like a little flat back to it, so that's a great place to add your glue. And that's like a grayish undertone to that one. And then I also have this pink. I just wanted to show you. They have quite a few different colors. I've used white, pure white in my other videos. And then this faux fur yarn is all the way around. Like, it's called Thick and Quick, but this one's much more expensive. I will say it was $14.98 for this thing of yarn, and I'm going to use it up. I am going to use it in today's video, but the others are definitely a great option. It just takes a little bit longer to go around the ornament, but you still get the same great effect, and I'll show you the difference between those at the end of the video. Now there's a little hole that's already inside the balls. I just took a pair of scissors and made it just a little bit bigger. I'm going to use some Dollar Tree twine and make a little knot, and I'm going to shove that down in the hole. And sometimes I just had to use the scissors to kind of push it down in there. That's kind of ideally what you want, but I knew that if I applied some glue at the base of this and held it in place and then surrounded it by the actual faux fur yarn, that it would be perfectly fine in holding this. And that's what I'm doing now, is just kind of adding it to the base. I'm going to push it back in there and have it hold it. And then I'm still going to go around that with some more of the hot glue. Now, I probably used 3 to 4 glue sticks. Well, maybe at least 3 just for this ornament, using the lighter faux fur that has like the backing to it, because it does take a little bit more to go around it. And I will caution you, less is probably more on this. I added sometimes kind of like big strings of or lines of glue to this, and it did seep out from under the faux furish part to make like little hard places in there. So I would use kind of sparingly and see if that will hold it down. I mean, I kind of just globbed the glue on, and I'm just trying to tell you, maybe don't do that. So that you don't get that effect. I didn't notice it with the bigger, thicker yarn, but I did notice it with the thinner. But look at the outcome. I absolutely love it. I just love it. Of course, I love the faux fur look anyway. I want to make like different faux fur packages besides the ornaments from yesterday's video. And I just love these. And they're so fun. Now, I admit I splurged on this other yarn. It's the Thick and Quick. like I say, it is much more expensive, but as many ornaments as I'm going to get out of it, I feel like I'll get my money's worth out of it in the end. But you don't need to buy the big thicker because it does go around the ball a little more quickly and everything, but I really think that the look is so close to being the same because you are kind of gluing, part of the fluffiness down to it. Now with this one, I was able to kind of go along slowly and push down in it more. I don't feel like I did that enough on the other because I was afraid, of course, of burning myself. But since this is a lot thicker material, I was able to kind of probably push down the glue to where it didn't seep up and make like bubbles. And it kind of looks funny at first, when you're first wrapping it around. I love these. So I'm going to finish wrapping this around. Like I said, I'm going to have giveaways this week. I hope you guys will stick around with me for the entire week. I've had so much fun creating some of these ornaments for you all, and I'm hoping that you're loving this series as much as I am. I love this time of year, and I love making little ornaments. I love putting them on packages when I give things to people. It just is a creative release for me for all the different stresses that I have in my life, and there are many. This is just part of my release, and I love adding these to packages, giving them to my niece, giving them to my sister-in-laws. I don't know that my brothers really care that much about my ornaments, but hey. But look at the end result. It's hard to even tell which yarn is which. So like I say, the $4.98 yarn does just as great. Now I'm going to show me kind of decorating this. I encourage you to go and shop your stash if you've got like all kinds of different florals from the Dollar Tree, because they have some really great ones. If I would have had pulled out some of the older ones that I have some of the little berry ones. I know that I've got some other greenery. I have seen people haul some of this fern. It's like a flocked fern from the Dollar Tree. I'm definitely going to pick some of that up if I can find it. And this little owl that I put on top of this is from Walmart. It was $1.98, and you got 6 little owls. Some of them kind of have their eyes open, some are closed. I've used those in other videos. I'll link one that I did, I think it was 2 years ago now, where I did these little faux fur ornaments using the Dollar Tree auto cloth. It's like a chamois cloth, and it's so nice too. So that is definitely still another option that you could do as well if you can't find this yarn. But I kind of glued him where he was setting up. I put in some bells behind him. I still felt like he was a little wobbly, so I added this clear table scatter that I got from Hobby Lobby and added it in behind him. And I thought that it looked really good. It's like a snowflake shape, but I thought it really helped him set up. If you buy a couple sets of the little baseballs and one thing of the faux fur at Walmart for $4.98, you could have a really nice set of ornaments. You can make them all the same. You could make them all different. But if you wanted to do them as a set, that would be such a beautiful presentation. Now this little ornament here has the little pink deer I got from AliExpress. The little wreath form that's on it is from a sticker set from Michaels. And then the little clear snowflake that I put in on these and behind the owl, they're table scatter from Hobby Lobby. And they did bring that back again this year. I did see that. And then, of course, I included a couple of my rusty bells. The little pink light is from Hobby Lobby in their miniature Christmas section. And then this little owl was from Walmart. I hope they bring those back. They have had those for the last 2 years. I didn't see them the other day, but they're just starting to really bring stuff out. They still had a lot of bare spaces at my Walmart. So make sure that you've subscribed. You leave a comment on every video this week. This is going to be a full week, and believe, if I counted correctly, since I started August 24th and I'll do this full week, I'll have 24 total videos altogether of hopefully things that inspire you or give you ideas of different things that you could do for Christmas ornaments. And like I say, these make great bag toppers, they make great inexpensive gifts, and they would be wonderful for even some craft shows. So if I get a chance this year, I'm going to do some of those. So let me know what you think. The giveaway will be Wednesday and Friday. I'll reveal what the giveaways are for on those days. But make sure you're in the running for that. I know a lot of you come back so faithfully and comment on every video, and I appreciate it so much. And of course, if you've been here a while and are familiar with me, you know that I do all kinds of different DIYs. And if you're brand new, then thanks so much for stopping by. I hope that this came across your feed and it interests you, and I can share with you other fun, crafty DIYs, crafty hauls. I do different home decor DIYs, but I do have to admit the Christmas crafts probably are my most favorite, but I love, love, love making ornaments, as you can tell. And more ornaments are coming tomorrow, so make sure you come back again and see me. And until then, I hope you get a moment to craft it up.